Hello, I am Mr. Volikati SS from Gandhinatha Ramji College of D Pharmacy, Solapur. Today we will see the second chapter, that is Antiseptic and Disinfectant Part 6. In this we will see the next classification, that is cationic surface acting agent. The example is benzalkonium chloride. That is benzalkonium chloride. It is a mixture of alkyl benzyl, dimethyl ammonium chloride. These are the quaternary ammonium salts, compound having high ionizing power and having a general formula is N plus R4X minus. In that, where R means alkyl group, X means halide, that may be chlorine, bromine, iodine, or in that we are added also OH minus group. This is the about benzalkonium. These are the quaternary ammonium sulfate. Quaternary ammonium sulfate means the nitrogen containing 4 molecules or 4 atoms are attached, so that it is forms a positive, so that it is called as a quaternary ammonium salt or quaternary ammonium compound. This is the structure of benzalkonium chloride. In this, nitrogen attached methyl group. This is methyl group, this is methyl group. This is also one H is replaced by this benzene group, and this also nitrogen is attached by a alkyl group. There will be a chlorine is added. This is the benzalkonium chloride. This is the general structure of benzalkonium chloride. But R may be alkyl radical, that is having 8 to 18 कार्बन atoms. हे जे अल्काइल ग्रुप आहे ह्याच्यामध्ये आपण 8 ते 18 पर्यंत कार्बन आपण ऍड करू शकतो. त्याच्यानुसार आपल्याला हा बेन्झाल्कोनियम क्लोराइडचा आपल्याला नोमेनक्लेचर करता येतो. हे आपलं जनरल स्ट्रक्चर आहे. त्यासाठी आपण याला आयपीएस नेम दिलेलं नाहीये. जर करता आपण या अल्काइल ग्रुप आर च्या ऐवजी आपण 8 ते 18 कार्बन मधली कुठलं पण एक आपण कार्बनचं चेन आपण अटॅच केलं तर ह्याला आपल्याला नोमेनक्लेचर आयपीएस नोमेनक्लेचर आपल्याला देऊ शकतो. आणि दिस इज द जनरल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ benzalkonium chloride. Next we will see the nature. This is thick gel or gelatinous compound. Color is white or yellowish. Odor is aromatic. Taste is bitter. Effect of light. It is affected by light. Next one is solubility. Soluble in alcohol and water and insoluble in ether. These are the some physical properties of this benzalkonium chloride. Next we will see the chemical properties. It is decomposed by addition of dilute HNO3 or mercury chloride. The second one is benzalkonium chloride plus beta naphthol solution. It forms the orange red color. That is also called as an azo dye is formed. That is also called as an azo dye. These are the two chemical properties. Next we will see the solubility and storage. It is stored in well closed light resistant container. It is affected by light, so that we are added stored in the well closed light resistant container. This is the stability and storage. Next we will see the very important, that is uses. The 0.02% solution act as an antiseptic for skin and mucous membrane. And next one is 0.05% solution used for the storing surgical instruments. Next one is for the 0.005% solution used for the irrigation of bladder, urethra and vagina. These are the three uses of this compound. That is 0.02% used for the act as an antiseptic for skin and mucous membrane. Next one is 0.05% solution used for the storing the surgical instrument. Next one is 0.005% used for the irrigation of bladder and urethra and vagina. The official name is benzalkonium chloride solution, IP and BP. The brand name is Germinal and Germital. These are the two brand names. This is the benzalkonium chloride. This is the general structure of benzalkonium chloride. These are some physical properties. These are the chemical properties. These are the three very important uses. These are the official name: benzalkylene chloride solution IP and BP. Brand name is Germinal and Germital. The next drug is cetrimide. It is also quaternary compound. The physical property is, the nature is creamy white powder, color is white, odor is characteristic, taste is bitter, effect of light is stable in light, solubility soluble in water and alcohol, insoluble in organic solids. These are the some physical properties. Next one is the chemical property. When cetrimide or benzalkylene chloride is treated with potassium iodide in acidic medium, the quaternary ammonium iodide are formed with which are soluble in chloroform. This is the chemical reaction. Next one is cetrimide plus water. It forms the yellow PPT with potassium ferrocyanide. And cetrimide decomposed by addition of dilute HNO3. These are the three chemical properties. Next one is stability and storage. It is stored in well closed container. Next are uses, that is very important. It is used as an aqueous solution and cream containing up to 1% cetrimide to treat burns and wounds. ज्यावेळेस आपल्याला बर्न म्हणजे भाजलेलं असतं नाही तर वुंड झालं असतं त्यावेळेस आपण 1% आपण cetrimide आपण क्रीम नाही तर सोल्युशन आपण यूज करू शकतो. एकासाठी तर आपल्याला फंगल इन्फेक्शन होऊ नये आणि ते वुंड हील होण्यासाठी, बर्न हील होण्यासाठी आपण cetrimide क्रीम नाहीतर आपण सोल्युशन, aqueous सोल्युशन आपण यूज करू शकतो. दिस इज वन ऑफ द important use of this cetrimide. Its aqueous solution also used for the cleaning the skin. In preparative procedure also disinfectant for vessels and surgical instruments. It is also used as a preservative and also emulsifying agent. These are the three uses of this cetrimide. Mainly used for the, this is mainly used for the treatment of burns and wounds in the form of creams and also for the aqueous solution, and also cleaning the skin and also disinfect the vessels, surgical instrument, etc. Also used for the preservative and also for the emulsifying agent. These are the uses of this cetrimide compound. Next is the official preparations. Cetrimide IP and BP, cetrimide cream BP, cetrimide emulsifying cream BP, cetrimide emulsifying ointment BP, and wax BP. These are the some official preparations of cetrimide. The brand name is Savlon. This is the brand name of cetrimide. They are not given any structure for the cetrimide. It is also only quaternary compound. These are the some physical properties. These are the three chemical properties. And it is stored in well closed container. These are the uses: to treat the burns, wounds in the form of creams and solution up to 1%. Also cleaning the skin. Also disinfect the vessels, surgical instruments. Also used in the preservative and also emulsifying agents. These are the some official preparations, that is cetrimide IP and BP, cetrimide cream BP, cetrimide emulsifying cream BP, cetrimide emulsifying ointment BP, and it is also in the form of wax BP. The brand name is Savlon. That is very important. So many times they are asked their official preparations of cetrimide and also brand name of cetrimide. These are the drug of antiseptic and disinfectant. Next lecture we will see the aldehyde derivative compounds, that is formaldehyde solution. Thank you.